Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest and greatest in the world of technology and innovation. Today, we're thrilled to present to you the 10 coolest gadgets that are set to redefine the way you live. Get ready to upgrade your life with these cutting-edge inventions that promise to make every day extraordinary. If there's anything that catches your eye today, I'll make sure to link them all for you in the description below. So feel free to check them out right away. Number 10. Thunderbolt. Hyperade, which is powered by Thunderbolt technology, can achieve lightning-fast transfer speeds of 40 GB per second, allowing users to edit, analyze, and store data immediately and efficiently. Transferring 10 GB of files takes just 4 seconds, ensuring efficient work without wasting any time. The fully equipped RAID station and 22-in-1 dock, Hyperade has 8 M.2 NVMe SSD spaces, or 2 U.2 slots, 2 HDD slots, 6 card media readers, USB ports, and DisplayPort. Hyperade is your closest buddy if you're a creative because it allows you to store your data straight through the ports. Number 9. DigitSole Heated Insoles. As winter approaches, the chill in the air can send shivers down our spines and leave our feet feeling frosty. But fear not, for DigitSole Heated Insoles are here to save the day. These ingenious insoles, controllable via a smartphone app, offer customizable warmth at the touch of a button. Whether you're braving the elements on a snowy hike or simply navigating the urban jungle on a chilly morning commute, DigitSole Heated Insoles ensure that your feet stay toasty and comfortable. But their utility doesn't end there. With built-in activity tracking features, these smart insoles encourage an active lifestyle, motivating users to step out and conquer their fitness goals regardless of the weather. Number 8. Airbolt GPS. The fear of losing our belongings can cast a shadow over even the most adventurous excursions. But with Airbolt GPS, that fear becomes a thing of the past. This pint-sized tracking device, boasting global coverage and extended battery life, offers peace of mind by ensuring that your valuables are always within reach. Whether it's your keys, luggage, or even your furry companion, Airbolt GPS allows you to track their whereabouts with pinpoint accuracy. And with its durable, waterproof design and seamless integration with smartphones, this indispensable gadget ensures that you never have to fret over lost possessions again. Number 7. OYO Nova Gym. Gone are the days of bulky gym equipment and crowded fitness centers. With the OYO Nova Gym, the power to sculpt your dream physique lies in the palm of your hand. This portable gymnasium, powered by innovative Spiriflex resistance technology, offers a comprehensive workout experience in a compact package. Whether you're at home, traveling, or simply pressed for time, the OYO Nova Gym enables you to unleash your full potential with a diverse array of strength-building exercises. And with its emphasis on convenience and versatility, this revolutionary gadget ensures that you never have to compromise on your fitness goals, no matter where life takes you. Number 6. Dream T20. In the quest for pristine living spaces, conventional vacuum cleaners often fall short, leaving behind traces of dust and debris. But fear not, for the Dream T20 is here to set a new standard in home cleaning. This cordless vacuum cleaner, crafted with precision engineering and state-of-the-art filtration systems, delivers unparalleled suction power and efficiency. From hardwood floors to plush carpets, the Dream T20 tackles dirt and grime with effortless ease, leaving your home sparkling clean and allergen-free. And with its lightweight, ergonomic design and versatile attachments, this indispensable gadget transforms mundane cleaning tasks into a satisfying chore. Number 5. UV Mask UVC Air. In an era of heightened health awareness, traditional face masks often lack sufficient protection against airborne pollutants. Enter the UV Mask UVC Air Purification Mask, combining style with efficacy to safeguard respiratory health. Unlike standard masks, this reusable mask utilizes UVC purification technology, filtering out 99.99% of airborne particles. With a passive air filter and sterile vortex active protection, it defends against dust, pollen, tobacco smoke, and brush fire smoke. Whether navigating city streets or outdoor adventures, this innovative mask ensures unparalleled protection, enabling you to breathe freely and embrace life fully. Number 4. Time birds. In the fast-paced realm of fitness, timing is crucial, and distractions can disrupt even the most carefully crafted workout plans. But fret not, for Time Birds is here to keep you focused on your fitness objectives. This purpose-built workout timer, boasting a sturdy design and magnetic mount, guarantees visibility and convenience during exercise sessions. It enables you to optimize your efforts and attain peak results, whether you're timing intervals, monitoring rest periods, or counting reps. With unparalleled precision and reliability, Time Birds empowers you to push boundaries and unlock your full potential. Its compact size and user-friendly interface seamlessly blend into your fitness routine, ensuring every workout propels you closer to your goals. Number 3. Fly Nova Pro. In a world where imagination knows no bounds, the Fly Nova Pro showcases the boundless creativity of humanity. This spherical motorized flying spinner, adorned with captivating LED lights, defies gravity with its stunning acrobatics, enchanting audiences of all ages. Whether performing dazzling tricks or engaging in friendly competitions, the Fly Nova Pro offers endless avenues for exploration and self-expression, fostering creativity and camaraderie among users. With its intuitive controls and sturdy build, this versatile gadget transcends traditional toys, evoking a sense of wonder and amazement in all who wield it. Soar to new heights and unleash your inner acrobat with the Fly Nova Pro, where imagination reigns supreme and the sky's the limit. Number 2. Water Walker Rebirth Exercise Bath. In a world where stress and tension are prevalent, the Water Walker Rebirth Exercise Bath offers a haven of tranquility and revitalization. This innovative gadget seamlessly merges water exercise with the therapeutic benefits of hydrotherapy, providing a holistic wellness experience. With adjustable depth and variable resistance settings, the Water Walker tailors a workout to your fitness goals and preferences. Whether enhancing strength, cardiovascular health, or simply unwinding, this multifunctional device offers a versatile solution. Equipped with spa features like soothing jets and temperature control, each session leaves you refreshed, rejuvenated, and prepared to conquer the day. Number 1. iWind. As urbanization surges, so does air pollution, posing a significant threat to public health. Yet, iWind emerges as a solution, revolutionizing your daily commute. Tailored for urban cyclists, this portable air purifier delivers a constant flow of purified air, safeguarding you from pollutants and allergens. With its lightweight, ergonomic design and potent filtration system, iWind ensures comfort and convenience, empowering you to navigate city streets confidently. Bid farewell to polluted air and embrace a breath of fresh air with iWind, where clean living meets seamless mobility. And there you have it, a comprehensive exploration of 10 revolutionary tech gadgets that promise to transform your life in ways both big and small.